So it's a new day and we have windows arriving. Finally, today in the village they have a motorcycle, I don't know, it's not an exhibition, it's a meeting. So I'm gonna go there and see if I can find anything nice. So yeah, we are getting most of the small windows today, and hopefully they will be mounted. So this is the size of it. It's hundreds and hundreds of bikes. I'll film the ones I like the most. There is a GP track very nearby here, and therefore there are quite a few of these kind of bikes in this area. It's very popular here. Also in Italy, this type of bike is very similar. It's very popular. I don't really understand it. They are absolutely massive, but probably comfortable riding, but yeah, not a fan. So we are attaching the windows, or we, Michele is, and Roger is working on the metal bars, and I will be doing some flooring, which you guys probably are familiar with. I'm gonna do a few pieces now and then we'll see. This is the thickness of the window itself once it's taken out of the frame. And that's the window for the sauna, which is going to be the only window that's not going to be able to open. The other ones are both being able to open like this and like that, as well as in here. Anna is back and they're working away slowly, and the dogs are working. One of them loves heat and the other one not so much. what he's doing is putting this foam in, which is an isolation for the windows, and then later on we'll have the stonemason here to cover up and plaster and cover in this whole area, but that's a later project. Over here, dogs are relaxing, Jamie in the shade as usual, and Tony is in the sun. Okay, so the windows are in, and we are going to start with the plasterboards and insulation. So we are going to start in this corner and work our way that way, I think. In any case, we are going to start cutting the insulation and put it up here. So cue the usual time lapse. Go see how Anna's doing. Hello.
Hey.
All right. We're getting there. It's difficult to tell on camera, but the white paint has a really nice warm tone to it. And now it's a bit wet, therefore it looks very uneven, but it's not. So the windows are up, the insulation is almost finished, missing a piece over here and a few more down here. So we're gonna need to order one more package and then 20 more pieces of plasterboard. We only have 4 left. And that's it. Next up we will be plastering the walls. We are going to start assembling the kitchen, which Anna has been doing some work at today. She's been doing some painting in here. So this is nearly finished. And with that, I'm going to end it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Ciao.